If you're building or selling online courses, there's one decision that can quietly make the whole learning experience. It's where your videos actually live. Most creators just upload their lessons straight into their learning management system. They do this because it feels simple, but in reality, this choice affects your video quality, your security, your data insights. My name is Daniel, and today I want to introduce you to Gumlet, a dedicated video hosting solution. We'll break down the hidden trade-offs of learning management systems that nobody tells you about. And in the end, I'll explain how Gumlet fixes those problems. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. And now, let's dive in. Okay, my friends, let's start with the common option. I am talking about hosting all your course videos inside your learning management system. On the surface, the biggest advantage is simplicity. You already manage your courses, lessons, and users there. You upload a file, attach it to a lesson, and your students press play without ever leaving that environment. However, guys, that convenience comes with a cost. Most learning management systems were originally designed to organize modules, quizzes, and assignments. And because of that, the player and the whole streaming experience often feels underdeveloped. You might notice clunky controls, slower loading times, or poor handling of high-definition quality. Folks, another strong side of LMS platforms is progress tracking. You can see which lessons students have finished or how far they are in the course. You can even automatically give certificates or open the next modules when they reach certain points. This is great when you want a clear learning path with visible steps. But when you want to understand what people actually do inside each video, you almost have no clear data. In short, guys, you get course-level analytics, but you miss the deep video-level insights that help you refine and improve your content. Access control is another area where LMS platforms shine on paper. They already handle enrollments, roles, and permissions. You can decide which learners see which course and when. The problem is that this usually protects the page, not the file itself. In the background, many learning management systems deliver a simple MP4 file or a basic stream without strong protection. That makes it easier for people to download, share, or rip your video. Next, folks, we have interactivity. This is one more point in favor of LMS platforms, at least at first glance. You can attach quizzes, assignments, surveys, and discussion boards to a lesson that contains a video. You can require a learner to click a complete button before progressing. The limitation here is that most of this interactivity lives around the video rather than inside it. You cannot easily add chapter markers right in the player or insert questions. The course feels interactive, but the video itself remains static and passive. So overall, LMS hosting is perfectly serviceable. But once your audience grows, folks, cracks start to appear. Performance, security, and flexibility become constrained because LMS was never meant to be a dedicated video platform. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright, so now let's find out how Gumlet can fix those issues. First off, I'll start with the definition. Gumlet is a video-first hosting platform designed to power your content from behind the scenes. It handles everything related to uploading, storing, and streaming your videos. The first problem Gumlet addresses is the gap between convenience and quality. With this tool, you can still embed your files directly in your LMS lessons, so the learner experience remains seamless. The difference is that you upload your files to Gumlet's content management system. From there, guys, it automatically converts each file into multiple resolutions and optimizes them for different devices and network speeds. Gumlet also closes the analytics gap. Instead of knowing only that someone opened the lesson, you gain detailed insight into how each video performs. You can see how much they are actually watched, where viewers consistently drop off, which segments they rewind. Folks, security is another field where Gumlet fundamentally upgrades your setup. Instead of relying purely on LMS page access, Gumlet protects the video asset itself. You can use encryption and rights management to discourage unauthorized downloads. On top of that, Gumlet transforms how your videos feel to learners. Instead of static files, you get a modern, customizable player. You can add chapters so people can jump straight to the part they need. You can configure branded calls to action that appear at strategic points. The platform can generate subtitles and transcripts automatically. This makes your content more accessible and easier to follow. And if you teach in more than one language, you can provide multiple audio tracks in the same video. Finally, my friends, Gumlet integrates cleanly with your existing stack. Instead of having assets scattered across different tools, you create one central library in Gumlet that powers all your learning experiences. So mates, let's take a quick walkthrough of the platform. This is what the Gumlet interface looks like. At the top you can configure the player, channels, and create playlists. In the center you have the upload area, and on the right you'll see the assets stored in your library. Pay close attention to the menu on the left. There are many different settings here. For example, detailed analytics and view statistics. You can also configure security options, which I mentioned earlier. Folks, let's return to the main page and upload a file. There are several ways to do this. You can use various cloud storage services or upload a file directly from your computer. I'll choose this one and wait for it to finish uploading. Here it is. The second item has appeared in our list. At the top you can filter your videos by tags, status, and duration. This is extremely convenient. Let's click on the Gumlet demo and open the settings page. You can change the title, add a description, or choose a privacy level. Selecting a thumbnail is a breeze as well. Obviously, there is a subtitles tab. They are auto-generated, but you can tweak them manually. You can also add chapters to your video, which is very useful for educational content. The last two sections are CTA and comments. Let's save the changes, my friends, and see how it looks in the dashboard. I click play. The subtitles appeared, they weren't there before. This is exactly how the video will be streamed wherever you choose to embed it. Now, my friends, let's see how to start streaming. On the right, by clicking the three dots, you can copy the embed code for your website or simply click embed and share. There are several settings here, including background, autoplay, and a few others. You can also make the video size responsive or fixed. If you want to stream on your custom platform, just click the button. The next option is sending content via email, and the simplest way is to copy the URL and send the link. Let's open it in the browser, guys. This is what your streaming page looks like. At the bottom you see the file's title. And if we had added chapters or any interactive elements, they would appear here as well. That's how quick and straightforward it is to configure and stream any video. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it up with a quick summary. When you compare the two approaches, the pattern is clear. LMS platforms are excellent at managing learning. They organize courses and modules neatly, control access, and track completion. The issue appears when you expect them to also be a high-performance video platform. That is not what they were built for, and you feel the limitations as soon as your content or audience grows. Gumlet approaches the problem from the opposite direction. It focuses on quality playback, strong protection, and detailed analytics. So, my friends, if you are serious about your course business, relying only on LMS video hosting is a short-term solution. The more sustainable approach is to host your assets on a dedicated platform like Gumlet. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.